Beyond the horizon, where the ocean whispers secrets of time, lies a paradise untouched. Raja Ampat. Amidst this beauty, Majestic Cruise awaits, an oasis of elegance where time slows and serenity unfolds. More than a vessel, Majestic Cruise is an invitation to embrace nature's wonder and drift into tranquility. Here, every view is a masterpiece, every journey unforgettable. Welcome to Raja Ampat. Welcome to Majestic Cruise. Beneath the shimmering surface, where light dances through the depth, a hidden world awakens, vibrant, untouched, and alive. Among flourishing corals, countless tiny fish move as one. An endless river of color, flowing with the rhythm of the ocean. In the heart of these waters, majestic mantas glide effortlessly unafraid, their graceful dance, a timeless spectacle of the deep. From schooling jacks to elegant yellow snappers, from the elusive wabagong to the wonders seen only in Raja Ampat, this is a realm of endless discovery. Beyond its life, Raja Ampat's underwater landscapes astound, hidden caves and formations sculpted by time itself. As the sun sinks beyond the horizon, Majestic Cruise becomes a beacon of warmth upon the endless sea. Laughter and stories fill the evening air as guests gather beneath the stars, guided by those who know these waters best. With the first light of dawn, the journey continues, carving through the waves, chasing new horizons. From the heights of Nemo, a masterpiece unfolds. Emerald isles, mirrored lagoons, a world untouched and endless. Every step, every wave, every sunset, a memory waiting to be made. And as Majestic Cruise sails once more, it carries with it the essence of luxury and adventure, where elegance meets the open sea. Guided by an experienced crew dedicated to comfort and hospitality, hands wave farewell, not as a goodbye, but as a promise until the ocean calls again.